So let's just say, guys, it is not looking good for SoundHound AI right now. The stock went down about 30% on Friday. No joke. You heard that right. 30%. And it closed at what? $11 per share, down over $4 on the day. And we have to break down why. And you guys probably saw why at this point. Nvidia sold out of their entire stake in SoundHound. We're going to cover that in this video, and we're going to break down their earnings coming up, which they're pretty soon here, guys. They're coming up, I think, in the next 2 weeks. Yeah, on the 27th of this month. That's actually the day after Nvidia's earnings. We're getting SoundHound's earnings. So, yeah, jam-packed video, guys. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. That's linked down below. We'll talk more about that later. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive into it. So, yeah, 30% red day for SoundHound, and now it is down well over 50% from the all-time high. We hit $25. You guys remember pretty much the day after Christmas, and it's been downhill since. Now we're at $11. We're down about 57% from all-time highs. And with this dump off on Friday, we are now trading at a multi-month low, pretty much back to where we were in the beginning of December. So now we've erased about 2.5 months of gains on SoundHound. And the fact that we're breaking 1250, big support from the last couple of weeks, that's not the best sign in the short term. And really, the only thing that can turn SoundHound around right now is a big earnings report, man. They have to crush guidance. They have to, bring back some certainty into the stock, because now it's been downtrending. Now Nvidia sold out and people are panicking, running for the hills. So we have to get some certainty from the earnings report, hear what management has to say, and I'm sure that will cause some calming here in the stock, or at least hopefully. So let me show you here kind of exactly what's going on. We'll talk about their earnings as well. So you guys see this headline right here. SoundHound AI stock drops as Nvidia exits positions. So Nvidia's 13F report filed with the SEC for the quarter ending December 31st, 2024 showed the company no longer holds any shares of SoundHound AI. You guys see right here. And remaining positions include Applied Digital Corporation, ARM Holdings, Nebius Corp, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and WeRide Inc. And Nvidia's exit could raise questions about SoundHound AI's future growth and stability. It definitely does not, ease investors in SoundHound. It definitely causes uncertainty, right? And as a major player in the AI space, Nvidia's backing likely provided credibility and confidence for other investors. So having that player out of the picture now, it's big. And to be honest, man, I know I said earnings could save SoundHound in the short term. That's possible, but it could also sell off even more heading into earnings. Don't think we found a bottom yet. This is still a falling knife. This could still go lower, so keep that in mind. Yeah, this is nuts, man. And if you want to know exactly how much they sold out, let me show you this. This page right here. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I saw it. Nvidia previously held 1.7 million shares. Oh my God, this website's driving me nuts, guys. Come on. 1.7 million shares worth over $8 million. But its sudden exit to a market sell-off, led to a market sell-off, raising concerns about SoundHound AI's future. So there you have it. That's really what's going on here, which having Nvidia invest in your company, that is like a big nod. It's a big endorsement, in other words. You know what I mean? Not endorsement, but it's huge to have Nvidia back in your company. And now that they're not in SoundHound AI, it's almost like, what is Nvidia seeing that I'm not seeing, right? I'm not in SoundHound myself, but that's what investors that are in the stock are thinking. What's Nvidia thinking or seeing that I'm not seeing? Why am I still in SoundHound? So, yeah, that caused the 30% drop. And like I said, it's a falling knife right now, guys. It could slip even more. In fact, if I had to make a prediction, I think it will go down more. But earnings could save it potentially, especially guidance. Earnings are coming up the day after Nvidia, so on the 27th of February. Almost forgot what month it was for a second, guys. And based on two analysts here, not many, at least here on Yahoo Finance, the average earnings per share estimate for SoundHound is -9 cents. The low estimate is -11 cents, with the high estimate being -7 cents. And a year ago they lost 6 cents. So EPS is getting worse year over year for SoundHound, and that puts their full year number at, let's see, they're projected to lose 24 cents on average for the current year, 2024. And in 2023, they lost 11 cents. So the loss is widening here, guys. And as for revenue, let's come down here. We can see, based on 6 analysts for the quarter, $33.73 million. The low estimate is $33.03. The high is $34.55 million, with them doing about $17 million a year ago. So growth year over year, sales for the quarter is good, 96%, very good. And for the current year, 83.87 is the average estimate for revenue for the year. 83.18 is the low. 84.17 or 84.7, is the high estimate for revenue. And a year ago, they did $45.87 million. So for the full year, expect about 82 to 83% revenue growth year over year. And ideally for the bulls in the short term, SoundHound needs to double beat by a wide margin, have good guidance to get any sort of rebound on this stock. Which, man, it is getting crushed right now, guys. And the fact that we broke under $12, $11, we closed under those dollar levels, that doesn't give me confidence, man. This is a falling knife, no bottom in sight. So, yeah, it could keep slipping. But don't get it twisted. We will get a short-term rally, and it might be, if I had to guess, it's probably going to be a big and sharp rally at that. But we're just not getting any signs of it quite yet. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments on SoundHound. Do you own it? Are you planning on buying it? Are you staying away? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and snag up your 30 stocks for a Moomoo. Open up your account. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. That's 30 stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. So, guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.